Hey, Sam here, and welcome to this demo of LetVidAmaze. This is a software that lets you create a floating video for your website that actually changes as you scroll through your site, so the video displaying is relevant to the content on your page. It solves a good problem, which is when there is just the top video, it plays but becomes irrelevant to what the user is reading, or if it's a sticky video, again, it plays and it's still displayed, but it just is irrelevant to what's on the page. So let's take a quick look at an example of one here. So here's one here. As you can see, this is Kimberly's site. She helped put together VidAmaze, LetVidAmaze, and this is a sticky video on her site. It's got a video of her explaining about this affiliate promotion. Now, as I scroll down the page, say for example, I'm listening to this video, it actually changes because the content on the page has changed. So there we go. She starts talking about different elements on the page. So while you're scrolling through and finding out information about the page, you're getting a relevant video about this. As you can see, this box, beautifully designed, has a call to action button to be able to go to the buy section as well as you go through. Okay, and if we scroll down again, we'll see it change again as per the content on the page. So here it is, it's changed here again. So that's an example of how it works. How to put these together is actually very, very simple. When you first jump into VidAmaze, it goes through the step-by-steps to be able to help you set it all up. So you set up your domain, you paste a script on your website, and then what you can do is on your website there is a bookmarklet, which lets you go through and select where you want the video to change on your website or sales page or whatever. Unfortunately, that bit there seems to be clashing with a script on my website, so I'm going to just jump straight into the builder so you can see how easy it is to build out these boxes. So if I go into Create VidAmaze Box, it's going to open up a new campaign window for me. So here I've got the campaign name, so I'm just going to call this Demo Campaign. The URL that I'm going to put this on, I can have it exactly match contains. I'm going to make it exactly match. I'm just going to put in samspreviews.com. Okay, XPath. This is when you do the little segments for where they all pop up, you are going to get a little box like this for each segment. So this is going to be the welcome video. Let's just say welcome to VidAmaze. Okay, campaign subtitle, we can call it whatever. We can say check it out here. So you can see it's building our box in real time on the right. Now we can upload a video from YouTube or choose one from the library. So I can upload one and use my own, or I could just use a YouTube link. So if I go over to YouTube, I'm just going to grab the first video link I can find, just for the purpose of this demo, and put it in there. So we have a video. Intro line here, we can say find out more below, and then you can put on calls to action or an opt-in form to be able to capture leads. So for this one, I'm just going to use a call to action button, and I'm going to say get it off, see it here. Okay, so now you can see it's built up our box. We've got the video, we've got the header, we've got the see it here part, and the action can either redirect in a new tab, or trigger some code. So I'm going to say redirect in a new tab, and I'll just put in Sam's Previews VidAmaze. We can do another intro line too, and just like start to build out the boxes comprehensively as we want, but we're just going to keep it as simple with just this. Now UI settings, toggle this to be able to customize it, so we can change out all the colors, the title fonts, everything like that. So I can make the fonts like a gray. What I would probably do is do the background image first. So background image, you can choose a solid color, or you can upload your own image. Okay, when I've just done upload image and nothing, it's just kept opacity, so I can't see anything. Or you can upload your own image to be able to put in if you have your own design that you prefer to have. For the sake of this demo, I'm just going to keep it as solid color because I don't have any attractive pictures I can just pull out of nowhere. So I'm just going to go like a nice little, like a reddy grey. We're going to choose that. Cool, and we got our grey font on top there. Check it out here. I can change that color to be whatever we want. White. There we go. Find out more below would be the CTA font. So I can change that to, let's make it like a green or something like that, just for this demo. Oh, that's our button. or the CTA font, intro line font. There it is. We can make that. Let's just make it like some crazy aqua. Let's just play around here. So you can see we can build out and customize this box as much as you want. The advanced settings, stuff that you would sort of expect with this, where it's going to position itself, bottom right, bottom left, how it shows up on page load after a certain amount of seconds or on exit, auto play, all of that sorts of stuff. Once it's all done, you simply save it and the campaign is created successfully. Now, if my website, if I didn't somehow, mess up my website myself, it's a totally user error, but I'm running out of time to get this demo together. With this, it would show up on my site just like on Kimberly's site here. Because what you do to be able to get it to show up in the setup phase is you just simply paste a line of code in the header, and that'll link it to VidAmaze and have these populate themselves according to where you click as to where you want the changes to be. So it is actually quite fast and easy to set up when you're not like breaking your own website like I did. So that is VidAmaze. It is quite a cool solution. So if you are someone who uses video content on your website and you're looking to engage your user throughout, say for example a sales copy or like a long form sort of a website to keep them engaged as per what they're seeing on their screen, this is a really good solution. Full cloud-based app, all hosted for you. So check it out in detail down below on this bonus page. Make sure you get in during the early bird period to get it at the best price possible and get engaging those people on your website no matter where they're reading easily with VidAmaze.